up for the comedy of Glenn Blurted.
Where's my shout?
Welcome to my show! I brought my bros tonight. Marvin and Nathaniel. They're my bros and my wingmen flying by my side tonight. I know a lot of you probably remember I went through a breakup just recently. But guess what? Yes. Well, fine, I'll tell you. Back together again! Thank you. So, my bros, I'm just hanging with the men. No more women, just my bros. Penis to penis, we understand. And it's not gonna threaten my settling down. I'm settling down. I'm ready. Finally, I met the one. What? What'd you say? Well, I'm gonna do a little dry run. Bros before. Reminds me of. Anyway, this is what it's gonna be like. Practice. Will you marry me? Please! You're the one! You got my mother's hair! It's so beautiful! Woman! What did you say, Toots? Are you gonna be what, wedding night? Or
Need a little more time.
Cool! Cool, Sam, cool! Oh, that's good information to know that could happen in real life.
Yeah, baby!
before I try it. Well, is it time for me to go? Oh, did I make a mistake? Is settling down fun? What? What'd you say? What? It might be. It might be. It might be. Well, I hope it is. I can tell you I can't bear the sadness any longer of the void, of the broken shards. Well, that's all. Until next week. Goodbye.